Hey, what's everybody up to? Sorry I haven't posted a video for a while on YouTube or my Facebook page. So I'm going to show you guys an alpha model sample kit that was sent to me. It's Bugatti Chiron 124 scale. So let's take a look at this for unboxing. Did a very nice job for packing this up, especially coming from overseas. Glass is very clean, a little bit cleaner than Zoom On. This kit comes with a lot of photo etch, a lot of pieces in here. Your window masks, your grill masks. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Seat belts, brake discs. Very nice detail. Again, it's just like a hobby design. Very nice, but from Alpha Models. So let's move on to everything got individually wrapped in this box. So there's a dash, which is in very nice shape. Very fragile. And it just broke it. But very nice detail on it. Your interior tub, a lot of detail in here, and you can see the stitching on the seat, on the center console for the leather. So I haven't figured out what color this is going to be, but then you got your rear diffuser. Again, very nice quality. Just needs a little bit of a cleanup, but everything seems to fit pretty good. And your bags, door cards are very, very detailed, along with your engine. Let's see if I can pull one of these out. So there's your engine cover, or your engine. So there's some photo etch in there. Sorry about that. Photo etch in there for your engine. You got nice, very nice door cards so far. I mean, I've checked it out before I looked at it. There's no broken pieces. You got your headlights, taillights, steering wheel, your brakes are in here, your exhaust tips. Very nice detail. Very, very nice. And then you got a clear bag part. You got your headlights and taillights in there. I think some markers, but take a look at that later. And then, of course, your seats. And these things are detailed. I mean, you got your roll and pleated interior. Very nice detail. Hope everybody's been watching some of my builds on other pages. This is your bottom chassis plate. You do need to clean up a little bit on there, and let's see if I can. There's your body. So very nice, crisp, sharp lines. You do need to glue the dash in before you start this kit, or before you put the interior tub in, but everything fits in very nice, and it's a screw bottom, so You'll be able to screw this in. It'll hold everything in place. It'll be flat bottom. There's not a lot of suspension detail, but it's pretty cool. Been wanting one of these for a while, so I haven't decided on the paint scheme. It's going to be two-tone, and of course the wheels they get with the kit, very nice. Like I said, it's I think Alpha Models is a part of Hobby Design, so you get their quality and detail with it. And then your rear diffuser fits just in there, so it does need a little bit of a bit convincing to get in there, but once it's all in, just need to trim it down a little bit and get it in there. So very nice from Alpha Models. 124 scale Bugatti, and this thing will hopefully get started here soon. I am doing another build for a build off, so very cool kit. I'm kind of excited about building this thing. I'm not a big resin fan, but and I did get another one that I will do a little bit more on. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, and this thing is, I've looked at the box on this thing, it's pretty wild. But here's the size difference. There's a Lamborghini Huracan Spider. So again, this kit, big difference in size. This is a 1/18 scale Lamborghini and 124 scale Bugatti. So they both will be coming along. I'll be painting and doing step by step, and it'll be posted on Alpha Models website and Facebook page, so you can go check it out there. So not a lot of cleanup. Like I said, it's high quality, just like Hobby Design. So hope you like it. I look forward to showing you guys some different techniques on these, stuff that I learned, carbon fiber and stuff. And this one will probably end up in some sort of candy color. I'm not sure yet, but kind of sort of apologize for the camera, but this is a very nice Lamborghini. So I will do a step by step on each one, and you guys will see it. So stay tuned for that. Like again, sorry I haven't been posting anything on there. I haven't really been focused on YouTube, so guys, look forward to seeing some stuff, and we'll see what comes about. So alright, see you all later.